In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account with the Deepseek app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you've gone ahead and downloaded the Deepseek app on your mobile device. Now you need to create a new account. So from here, open up Deepseek for the first time. And now from here, it will say put in your email password, or you can sign in with Google. But there's no, so there's a sign up button here. But what I've found, because this app is quite new, if you click on sign in with Google, it's probably your best option, because the servers are quite full if you click on the sign up button, or you might have to wait some time to click on sign up. So the easiest way is just to sign in with Google, which is essentially signing up as well. So now I'm going to choose an account. So I want to choose tutorial is. So what this is going to do is going to go ahead and create my account and log me in at the same time. So from here, I'll need to agree and share. You can see I'm currently logging in. Now, there you go. So once you've created your account, you'll come to this page. And if we click on the top left-hand corner, you can see we have been signed up. So I've used my Google account, and there's my email, and it'll say Google is connected.